Everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Craft Designs. I'm coming by today with an unboxing. Bond Craftor contacted me last week and offered to send me a few resin products. Little be known to me, it was going to be 6 resin products. So I'm going to have 6 unboxings. Keep in mind, I've got to keep these videos under 5 minutes or my phone will not upload them. It takes almost an hour to upload 5 minutes, and I'm not kidding. So, we're going to do the unboxing for this, the Flix Rubber. Okay, this is just really going to be a simple unboxing. We've got the instruction card, sheet, booklet, whatever you want to call it. Okay. It tells you the method for stirring. Anyway, sorry if y'all heard that. My husband's having to play plumber today, so. Measuring, mixing, pouring, waiting, and demolding, okay? Really basic instructions. Got the two little molds. This cute little hamster or guinea pig or whatever it is, and then this is a cat. I'm not gonna take the plastic off yet. Cute little cat. Then it's got a couple of graduated cups, some of these little bitty cups, 2 sets of gloves, and some colorant. Yellow, pink, green, white, and blue. And 2 sticks. Okay. Then, the Flix Rubber itself. A and B. It's an equal 1-to-1. Non-sticky, super elastic, 1 to 2 hour demold. So, we're going to have fun with this. Alright? I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that hot button, whatever. I don't mean whatever, but I don't know what it's about, so. Bye for now.